Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this picture on Facebook, and if I understand them correct, this is what they want. They're making a rubber stamp where they want them both to be readable, and I just noticed this isn't quite finished. You need to fill in that and that and that and that. This is very easily done. Not for sure. This font might be bigger if it's a stamp, but I made a duplicate like I always do for a couple reasons. One, on the video I could show how I do it, but also so in case you mess up, you can start right back over. So take both your fonts, select them, and left click, right click. Then take just this font and go up to Effects, Contour. I'm going to contour, I'm going to do it a little bit bigger. I'm going to go 0.07 for the video, and I'm going to contour in black. And there's our contour. Now I'm going to go up to Range and break contour apart. Now I'm going to take my red contour and I'm going to turn it black. Then I'm going to put all this where I want it. And let's say it's going to go right in there. Let's zoom in a little bit. We can get rid of our contour tool. And then just take the Smart Fill tool and fill in these other parts of the larger text. And voila, you've done it. Now just select everything and left click, or right click, no outline. So now you can definitely read each letter, and I'm hoping this is what he's wanting to do. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.